with Ros Emely. I hope all of you guys are doing super good today. And today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make a delicious baked breaded chicken or drumsticks in the oven. Super quick, super delicious, and guess what? With ingredients that you guys already have at home, making it even much better. Hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and share this recipe if you love it. Now let's get started with this delicious breaded baked chicken or breaded baked drumsticks, however you want to call it. It's still delicious. Now let's get started with the recipe. Let's start. In my bowl, I already have around 2 pounds of chicken drumsticks. I cleaned it with vinegar. You can also clean it with lime juice. Now we're ready to season it, and I am going to start with the salt. I'm going to start adding about 2 teaspoons of salt or to taste. And I'm using Himalayan pink salt. And now we're going to add around a pinch of black ground pepper. Half a tablespoon of garlic powder. 1 teaspoon of paprika powder. And that is it, guys. You're gonna mix very well, making sure the ingredients are well incorporated. And now we're ready to start breading our chicken drumsticks. In one bowl, I have 2 eggs, lightly beaten. No seasoning at all because our chicken already has seasoning. And I'm gonna add it now to my second bowl, which has breadcrumbs. And I'm using Italian breadcrumbs. And that's it, guys. We're just gonna do this as assembly line. Get the chicken into our egg, beaten eggs, and then into our Italian breadcrumbs. That's it. Place it in my baking dish. And in my baking dish, I did add an avocado spray, avocado oil spray. That way it doesn't stick. You can add butter if you want as well. And here's our drumsticks. They look so good already. I'm also gonna, this is the avocado oil spray that I added in my pan. I'm also adding on top of our chicken. That way it can come out nice and crunchy from the oven. If you don't have avocado spray, you can use olive oil as well on top of the chicken. I'm also gonna use some parsley. And that's it, guys. We're gonna bake this in the oven for 1 hour and 30 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or until our chicken is fully cooked. Now we're gonna serve it. And that's it. Delicious, baked, breaded, crunchy drumsticks. So good, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. You can enjoy it with your family and friends, and I'll see you next time.